everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to change the ink cartridges on an HP Deskjet 2742e printer. This will be a full tutorial, but also an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Now this is, once again, the HP Deskjet 2742e printer, and the ink cartridges are actually located right behind here. So this is actually the paper tray. Now, if your paper tray is closed like this, you want to open it up. Now I actually skipped the step there because when I closed the paper tray, that door opened. So we're going to try that again. You're going to open up your paper tray. If it's closed, there's going to be another door behind that, and you're going to open up that door. And when you open up that door, your ink cartridges will make their way to the middle. You can see they're going back and forth there, okay, because I had sort of confused it before, I believe. But now that the door is open and it's staying open, they're going to make their way to the middle. You can see you have your colored ink cartridge on the left and your black and white ink cartridge on the right. Now, a lot of people think you just have to pull them out, and that's not the way that you do it. So the way that you should be removing these, as far as I know, okay, as far as I'm concerned, is you want to push sort of downwards and pull towards you at the same time. So pushing downwards and pull towards you at the same time. So sort of like this, I'm pushing down and pulling towards me, just like that. So you can see the angle that I'm getting right there. You're going to remove your old ink cartridge, and you're going to get your new ink cartridge, and you're going to do the exact opposite. So this ink cartridge is perfectly fine. I'm just going to reinstall it. But obviously you're going to get your new ink cartridge that you're replacing it with, and you're going to just slide it in with the label side up and the gold contacts facing the back of the printer to match up with those gold contacts over there. So your gold contacts right here are matching up with those gold contacts right there. It's kind of hard to see, but trust me, yeah, they're right there. And your label's facing up. Just slide it in place like that and push nice and firmly. Same thing with the black and white ink cartridge. I'm pushing down and pulling towards me at the same time. Remove it, get your new ink cartridge, gold contacts facing the back of the printer, label facing up, slide it in the slot right here and push nice and firmly until you hear the click. When you're done, close that door. The ink cartridges will go back to where they belong, and you're good to go. That's how to change them. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.